Hello friends, welcome back to my financial analysis. This time we're covering crypto as always. We have the Bitcoin, the Solana chart, and we also cover very quickly the DOT chart. So you see guys, everything that I would say, that I publish in my charts is extremely accurate, guys. I know it sounds like a catchphrase already, but it's the facts. Who else could have predicted this massive correction? Starting from the 17th of December. Look at this. This is the peak, the highest point of the 17th of December. And ever since then, it's just non-stop correction. There was only like a couple days where the price kind of stabilized. For example, right here. I think this was on the 20th of December. Kinda stabilizes, maybe even goes a little bit higher than that, but other than that, guys, every other day is just non-stop red. And like I was saying, who else could have told you and predicted all of this? Guys, there's no one on earth that has this ability, this power, this quality, this accuracy, non-stop, every single day, every single week, every single month. If you don't believe me, go back and watch my other charts. For example, go back and watch the November chart, my November predictions. I told my people the exact dates of every single movement. This was a 100% accurate prediction. Not a single day failed. That's the quality that I bring. That's my work, guys. So I don't know what else to tell you guys. The few of you who are actually paying attention to this, this channel is growing very fast, especially my other channels. For some reason, people really like cryptocurrency other than traditional finances. But it's growing very fast, guys. But at the current pace, it's still a small channel. It's nowhere near 1,000 subscribers, and even then, that will still be a very small channel. So whenever this gets extremely big, we're going to see people all over this, trying to take advantage of this. And that's exactly what I want. But I want people also to note my work is just incredibly accurate, guys. And no one else can match this accuracy. No one else. So you need to really pay attention to what I say, because even though I'm a small channel, I do pack a lot of punch. It's just all over your face. You can see it with your own eyes. I told you, expect corrections on the 17, 18. Expect powerful corrections from the range of 19 to 22, which coincides with this red circle, 21, 22. That means that there was a very, very high possibility of having consecutive reds, more than 2 consecutive reds, which was actually the case. And I also told you that one of these days on the 20 to 21 could be a powerful uptrend. And it was very powerful indeed how it rebounds from 92k, the lowest point so far in the month. Very powerful rebound, but it closed green indeed. It was a green day, even if just slightly. Even if not a massive impulse like all over again, back to the position on the 17th of December, for example. I told you this will happen. My prediction for the next days is that tomorrow and the 24th could be very volatile days, but especially kind of undecided. We might see that the price can continue dumping one more day, I think. That will be the normal for me to accept that. But after that, especially in the 24, we can see that the price will recover. And there's a potential for a very powerful recovery right here, because we have 25, 26, 27, 28, and especially on the 27, 28 range, these days, one of these 2 days, maybe even both of them, we could expect a very, very powerful correction. I'm talking 5% or more. So depending on what happens on the previous days, we can either recover back to these levels. In the most bullish scenario, we could go even above these levels. I don't think we're going to reach these levels just looking at these corrections. It's kind of unlikely, but it's possible. I'll never discount that. But after that, guys, it's going to be another round of impressive corrections. And this alone, this pattern right here, is very old in my channel. I have always talked about this. And that is, whenever we have the last circle on the red, just expect powerful corrections, not just on the days of the last circle, but on the final days, like the final 4, sometimes even 5 days of the month. Now, because we have a strong bullish signal right here on these days, I think the corrections can only start appearing on the 29th and at the worst case scenario on the 28th. But especially be very prepared for this. Now, guys, I always, just like I do predictions for the days, daily predictions, daily charts, I also make monthly predictions and even yearly predictions. And I just want to share with you that the next month of January is not looking really good right here. I mean, my radar is telling me that it's going to be a very good time to sell around these days, which I might do in some of my altcoins. But yeah, basically expect another red December as well. It's going to be kind of wild, guys, because there are so many geopolitical factors aligning to that day, I mean to that month, and I think crypto is not going to be the exception right here. But yeah, basically that's my outlook for the next few days of Bitcoin. Now let's check the Solana chart. And guys, what else can I tell you? Solana is not doing good, like seriously not good at all. No matter how you spin this, it's very bad for Solana. Non-stop corrections every single day, or almost every single day for Solana, despite the amazing performance that Bitcoin had in the first like 15 days of the month. Solana is just non-stop correction, non-stop. Lower lows, even lower lows. I mean, look at this. This is not normal, guys. This is not normal. Something is really going on with Solana. I watched some Twitter threads, that Twitter posts, whatever you call them, that it will take a lot of my time to actually talk about this, but let's just say that they are just showing that there's some manipulation going around with Solana. Something that might explain all of this, because yeah, this is not normal. This divergence between Solana and Bitcoin, this is so big that it's just, I mean, the last time I watched such a massive divergence was on, I don't remember what month it was, but like a couple of months ago, maybe on October, something like that, where Solana started outperforming Bitcoin on the last 10 days of the month. But it was not even that wild, not even as dramatic as this one. So yeah, something is really happening with Solana. Something really wrong is going with that cryptocurrency. We're basically back at the levels of before Bitcoin achieved, I think it was 80K around that time, on the 5th of November. So yeah, this is very worrying, guys. Now, for some reason, many meme coins are not affected by this. Some of them are, like Farcoin, which is crashing right now really hard. But I mean, this was to be expected, guys. We can only get such a powerful pump and bullish on meme coins. So yeah, we'll have to see. Basically, I don't know. I mean, what else can I say about Solana, guys? I have other corrections pending for these days, 25, 26. So this position can go even lower than this. The only real opportunity for Solana is on the 27, 28, which is shared by Bitcoin as well. Maybe Bitcoin can help Solana pump a little bit, but it's going to be very, very minimal compared to what this correction month has brought to Solana. It's just massive. And anyways, let's go finish this video quickly with the dot chart. Yeah, that is similar to Solana, although it's not that bad. But we saw that many of the powerful impulses that I was expecting did not really play out. Maybe on the 20, a day earlier than this, but then 21, basically mostly range and on a downtrending. It's basically a very clear downtrend right here. Again, not as pronounced as Solana, but it's pretty bad. And just like Solana, the final opportunity for DOT lies within this range of days, 28, 29. I think it's going to be more likely to be 28. That's the day that all of these other cryptocurrencies share as well on my charts. So yeah, that's basically all I have for you. Remind you all to subscribe, share, and like, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.